What's up, guys? Welcome back to Advancebay. Today we're going to be taking apart, I don't know if you see it, we're going to be taking apart this thing. Yeah.
What are you up to?
Taking this apart.
Taking this apart?
I want to take that apart.
What's up?
What are you taking apart?
Well, I get
I want to take this apart.
this apart.
I already did the intro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool, man. I see some progress. See, this is the cup holder.
I see. You like the cup holders more.
Of course, car is all about cup holders. There you go. See, this is another switch right here. Heating seat switch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here.
Yes, that's why you're here.
Wait, I think try taking this. Wait, we never checked this yet.
Okay, I think I got this now.
How about the intro?
Intro for this? We already done the intro, right? You done the intro for this?
Yeah.
Okay, why do we need the second intro?
I thought you needed.
Are you filming?
Yes, I am.
You filming the floor? Okay, so I see a screw right here at the bottom on the side.
At the bottom.
So I'm gonna try. I'll try. Hold the flashlight. Hold the camera. And I will try something. What was first, egg or a chicken?
An egg.
An egg?
Because a chicken lays an egg. And then an egg becomes a chicken.
Okay.
And that's how it comes. It's from the egg. Isn't that how it works?
I know how this works.
But actually, first.
And I think I just broke this part. Yeah, this is what you do, guys. This is, see, I broke it right here. I mean, you can probably use it.
You can. Probably.
We'll see. I don't know. I broke it. I didn't. I was supposed to take the seats out.
Ouch.
What I said from the beginning, but I guess
And then you're like,
impatience caused damage.
and then you're like, oh, I found a
That's
way.
another lesson for us.
More likely for you.
For me? Yeah, it's for me too, yeah.
For older people that are watching,
Yeah, you gotta,
just please subscribe.
you have to
Ring the bell.
be patient when you work with cars.
Ring the bell.
Because you start damaging stuff.
Pa, what is your dream of YouTube?
My dream of YouTube?
Yeah.
It's a good question. You can't dream of YouTube.
Then how is it a question when you...
I guess to make a living out of it.
Oh.
Okay?
My dream of question...
To make a living out of it. So, I've been working a lot on cars. And I'm kind of tired of that. But again, I mean, I like working on cars.
If I was like you, I would have a dream of YouTube. It would have been...
What have it been?
Be popular.
Huh?
Be popular.
Be popular?
Yeah.
Why?
You earn a lot of money.
You think popularity is good?
For some people, no. For some people, yes. But when they're popular, they can't quit.
That's the hardest thing.
They have no other choice.
I don't like this. Is there another plug? Okay, we're not even supposed to take that out. Okay, so we have a plug right here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I don't know why I'm struggling all the way at the...
I think you're tired.
Yeah, I think so.
Get some bedtime.
There you go. Okay. Okay. Okay, people. Magic.
Magic's
Do you
not.
see the magic?
It's not real.
Magic right here.
Magic's not. Is that?
So, what did we learn today?
I think that's electric.
What did we learn today, Nicodemus? Out of this episode, I mean, I want people to understand one thing: don't rush, because once you start rushing,
You
break stuff. So I broke my rear center console.
It's like the third thing you broke in the car.
Third thing.
I think.
Well, anyway, guys,
The cup holder.
I am not sure.
Second.
I'm not sure if people will be interested in buying this unit. I think most likely we'll be trying to unscrew this part, the little cup holder with the glove box, and sell that separately, because usually this stuff doesn't really get damaged on a car. So at least something we can save out of this, out of this console. Once again, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for having patience with us. Please comment below what you think. What do you think of videos like this? What else would you guys want to see us do? Nicodemus, at the end we're gonna have to destroy this body of the car, the whole body. We have a tractor. We're gonna crush it.
Why?
Just for fun.
Is that a joke?
No, I'm not joking.
Why not crush it right now?
No, right? We gotta take the parts, man. We gotta take the parts.
Oh, you're talking about like this thing?
Yeah, after. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share this video. I hope you guys enjoy our conversation, between me and Nicodemus.
And one more thing.
What's up?
Comment down below what kind of car we should do next.
Yeah.
When we finish it.
But guys, I mean, you guys have to
Oh,
subscribe.
Bugatti.
Bugatti?
Yeah.
They have to subscribe. We can't afford that kind of car. You know that.
If you subscribe, we do it.
Yeah, if they subscribe, if we get like millions of subscribers, then maybe we can do something like that. Right now, imagine this: we go and buy a brand new car from a dealer
And take it apart.
and taking that car apart.
You're thinking about damaging cars.
It's just saying.
You just like damaging.
No, not damaging. Taking,
Wait,
apart. Just learning
what's under here?
How are they built. Here?
Yeah.
We'll get to that next time. Please ring the bell. Let Nicodemus tell you guys that.
Ring the bell, subscribe, and give a big thumbs up.